You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Yesterday, investors focused on two reports from the United States at once, which also surprised them. First, the number of initial jobless claims increased to the highest level since August of the previous year. Along with this, the total number of people receiving benefits has also increased significantly more than the projected rate. Secondly, the producer price index turned out to be negative again, thereby increasing the likelihood of a further slowdown in inflation. All this is a fairly strong bullish fundamental factor for the stock market and bearish for the US dollar. But if you look at the key stock indexes, you won't see a clear rush among buyers. This is easy to explain, because Wednesday saw explosive growth in the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. After a significant strengthening, the appearance of an additional bullish factor allowed the quotes of these indices not to adjust downwards, but to maintain their positions. Once again, the deterioration of the labor market situation and the prospect of slowing inflation increases the likelihood of a reduction in the key interest rate by the Federal Reserve. Despite the obvious excitement on the stock market, oil was trading without initiative. The American grade of WTI oil is stuck between $78 and $79. At the same time, we should not forget that the traditional factor, the holiday season in the United States, provides support. The demand for fuel will remain extremely high until Independence Day. Therefore, the appearance of any additional growth driver may provide the necessary support for the return of quotations above $80 per barrel. But to overcome this obstacle, you need a really strong reason. Shifting to the cryptocurrency market, it becomes obvious that buyers do not have enough strength for further growth. This happens absolutely always. When the market does not have enough strength to continue the upward movement, aggressive sellers take over. And although it is too early to talk about the obvious advantage of bears, the bulls look extremely tired. It is important to take into account that the activity of buyers is extremely low, while the stock market continues to grow actively. Therefore, even a minor correction in the stock market can trigger a wave of sales in the cryptocurrency market. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.